Good morning. Welcome back. On this week's episode, we're not actually here, but we're still in Dublin. So this is going to be our wrap-up video.
Yeah, we have some great stuff to share with you this week. The first is definitely a historic site that you cannot go to Dublin and miss seeing, right? So that's number one. And then the second is our recommendation. If you're going to be staying in Dublin City Centre, we absolutely loved where we stayed.
Yeah, come with. Let's check it out. This is St. Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin.
The original.
So it is said that this is the site of his first baptism in Ireland.
So pretty.
Of course, it's surrounded by St. Patrick's Park and looks like some kind of market that occurs every Sunday, which looks cool. And there's a cafe. Coffee, ice cream, snacks. Should we walk through the park?
Or walk around it to take your time.
Okay.
It's just opening up now.
Enter by South Porch.
The column looks like it's been some work done. time for a room tour. This is our Hampton Dublin Center room here. So just walked in, some hooks over to the left to hang some sweaters, some jackets. You've got hangers on the right hand side, ironing board, and right in here, you have the bathroom. Shower was very, very comfortable. That is definitely one of my requirements when finding a good hotel. Good bathroom, clean, comfortable. And this met all of those requirements. Very tiny, but actually quite spacious for a European hotel. We have a mirror here. Check out these appliances. I've been obsessed with Smegs for a little while. I don't even know how I found them, but they're just so adorable. I want to take this home. And they also have like their little kettle. Big mirror right here. And look who we have.
Hello.
Hello there. So this was your little working nook for the weekend. Some cool art here. Bed was massive. I felt like we were each on our own end and we never really saw each other. Huge TV. We turned it on once during some World Cup match. And then we've got our big window here. It is a very, very foggy and chilly day here in Dublin. The sun has not come out today, but it is a pretty cool view from here. And of course, to sleep, we were closing the blackout curtains to make sure we could get some rest. What do you think?
Solid room.
Yeah, this was good. This was good. The desk was very functional. So you could fold it up, you wanted to sit. Lots of room to store stuff. I enjoyed it. This was a good find for sure.
Good location.
Yes. Oh gosh. The location was ideal because we could walk. Everything seemed to be about 15 minutes walking.
Just about, yeah. Main roads right along the river. So city center was a good option.
Absolutely. All right. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed the room.
And that was our Dublin and Belfast series.
Guys, I mean, what an amazing long weekend. If you are on the East Coast of the United States, or if you're already in Europe, this is definitely a destination that you have to hit up. I mean, it's just, gosh, it was beautiful. We had a great time, right?
We sure did. And if you haven't seen the other episodes in this series, go back, check it out. We had a great time. We have a bunch of other countries that you can go back and visit, see through our lens at least.
And we have some cool destinations coming up.
Yeah, so we've already filmed 2 places that you'll see coming up soon. And then we have another trip planned this weekend that will be going on.
I'm so excited. It is, because guess what? We're not going to be in short sleeves shirts anymore. We're putting on some jackets and heading out somewhere really cool.
Yeah, so if you haven't already, subscribe to see more content from around the world.
Do it. Hit the bell.
And we'll see you next week.
Bye.